Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, Galaxy A51, the users of the Galaxy A51 4G variant must be happy to get the latest Android 16 ROM on Galaxy A51. Yes, I like the AOSP ROM because AOSP ROM always be faster than the other stock firmware or other firmware. And the good thing that this ROM is working so fast, brilliant on this Galaxy A51, which was launched back in 2019. The mobile phone Galaxy A51 can have Android 13. Yes, it can be updated to Android 13. But if you want to update to Android 16, you need to unlock the bootloader and then you can flash the ported ROM, this one, the one I have on my mobile phone. Let me show what ROM it is. Making a video is not an easy job. And if you are getting help from my videos, if you want to appreciate my work, you can just like the video, keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click or tap the subscribe button, click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you. Well, check out the model number A515F, right? This is Matrixx, like Project Matrixx. The version is 12.3, currently latest one for the Galaxy A51, which is coming Android 16. If I tap Android 16, so this is the detail. You can see the maintainer name, Android security date is 1st May 2026, baseband version provided, kernel version, and the build number. Let me show what I have on this mobile phone. If I tap settings and about, see, device is certified. You will see here developer option. Tap on it, then check integrity, wait for it, and now check it out. Meets device integrity, meets strong integrity, means that this device is having strong integrity also. What else we like to have? After all, and there will be no issues downloading the applications, using the a banking application if the device is certified and if your mobile phone is having strong integrity. Application you can see on my mobile phone straightly downloaded from the Google Play Store. The best ROM for the Galaxy A51, the current QS panel for this ROM, which is working fine. After flashing this ROM on the Galaxy A51, which is actually 7 to 8 years old mobile phone, you will say that the mobile phone is like new because the things is working very fine and the response is so quick, so fast. Wow. The mobile phone is having a new OS, which is Project Matrixx. Well, obviously, ROM is not rooted and the banking application will be working fine because I make the device certified without rooting the ROM. And the ROM is actually having the strong integrity. So definitely there will be no issues using the banking application on the current ROM. The AOSP camera is working all the way fine. Take pictures, record videos. You will not face any issues. Well, sadly, the fingerprint scanner is actually not working, but the face unlocking is working very fine and very fast. The fingerprint scanner is actually not getting detected. So maybe it will get fixed in other release. Rest all the stuff working fine. This is official release for the Galaxy A51, the Project Matrixx. Now, how to flash the ROM? Watch my further video. So before flashing custom ROM, we have to do few things, which are, first of all, your mobile phone bootloader must be unlocked. If you don't know how to unlock the bootloader, link provided in my video description. Watch that video, how to unlock the bootloader properly and how to get the KG state checking so the TWRP recovery will get flashed easily, right? Then the second thing is to check the mobile phone battery must be charged. If the battery below 30%, charge the mobile phone battery. Save the internal storage data. Whatever data you have, your pictures, your videos, it will get formatted. So better to save all the data like recent call list, SMS, or your WhatsApp data. Make a backup. The mobile phone must be updated to the latest stock firmware. Like currently I have the custom ROM of One UI 8.5, but before flashing this ROM, I was having a latest stock firmware. That is why I got the One UI 8.5. The latest stock firmware which was released, the last stock firmware must be installed or must be updated. In case if the phone is having old firmware, the ROM will never get boot on the mobile phone if the mobile phone is having the old firmware. Turn off the screen lock by selecting swipe. Must turn it off to avoid issues. In case if you are using Samsung account, then must remove the Samsung account to avoid issues. Same way, sync your Google account once, must remove it to avoid issues later on. So if you have done all these things, simply power off the mobile phone. So these are the files that we have to download to get the Matrixx 12.3, which is latest official release for the Galaxy A51. This ROM comes with vanilla, I mean to say no Google application. So separately we have to download the NIC caps. Particular this NIC caps will be working with this Matrixx official ROM. If you see the release date 17 May 2026, currently the latest one. So download the NIC caps and download the Odin and download the TWRP 3.7.21, which is having VB meta file also. After downloading, extract the Odin in same folder. Then open the extracted folder of the Odin. Double click the Odin file to open. Click OK on this pop-up window, and on Odin click AP slot. Go to the downloaded folder where you have downloaded or saved the files. Double click to select the TWRP file. Odin is ready, coming back towards my mobile phone. So friends, use a good quality of data cable, and other side of the data cable must be connected with computer. Now check the mobile phone. It must be totally power off. Boot the phone into Odin mode by pressing and holding the volume up key, volume down key. Let me tell you that the buttons must be working properly and it must be pressed properly also. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds, you will see a warning screen. Then release both keys. On this screen, press the volume up key once to boot the phone into Odin mode. This is the Odin mode screen. In my case, my mobile phone Odin mode not showing the KG state because the KG state of my mobile phone is already checking. In case if you see your mobile phone KG state is showing pre-normal, then the recovery will not get flash. To convert the KG state from pre-normal to checking, must watch my video, link provided in my video description. Coming back towards my computer screen, the Odin detected my mobile phone because I have already installed the Samsung Android USB driver. On the Odin screen, click options, untick the auto reboot, go back to lock, then click start to start flashing the recovery file. When you see pass message means done, exit the Odin, go back to the downloaded folder. The mobile phone must be booted still in Odin mode. Now we have to boot the phone into TWRP from the Odin mode screen. So check the data cable, it must be connected. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key and power key. When mobile phone restart, first release the volume down key. Okay, when mobile phone shows Samsung logo, release the power key, and after 5 seconds, release the volume up key. Okay, done. Well, definitely the phone will show the TWRP screen very soon. Okay, I got the recovery. First thing first, tap wipe, tap format data, type Y, E, S, then tap here. When done, then go back to main screen, tap reboot, tap recovery. So the recovery is back. On the computer screen, you will see the internal storage will get pop up, right? Go back to the downloaded folder, copy the ROM file and the NIC caps file from the computer downloaded folder. Then go to the internal storage of the mobile phone. Open the internal storage, paste both files on the internal storage of the mobile phone. So I got both files on my mobile phone internal storage. So right now I am done from the computer. First, disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone. And there is one thing that I want to mention, that if the mobile phone is having copy LCD panel, the TWRP may not boot, or if it is boot, then the touch may not work. Keep this thing in your mind. I have the original LCD, so the touch is actually properly working, right? Now, go to the wipe section, then advanced wipe. First, Dalvik, cache, metadata, data. These are the partitions that we have to select and then swipe to start wiping it. When done, go back to the main screen, tap install. First install the ROM file by tapping it to select the ROM file, then swipe to start flashing it. It will take time. We have to wait here. Do not let the mobile phone screen to get off during flashing. Like after a few seconds, just tap the screen to make sure that the screen must be turned on during ROM flashing. Flashing got completed. Now I will go back to main screen because I have to install gaps. So I will first reboot the recovery. Better to reboot the recovery before flashing the gaps file. Recovery is back. Now tap install. Then tap select the NIC gaps by tapping on it and then swipe to start flashing it. Finally, flashing got done. Tap reboot system. The mobile phone will stick for a while on the Samsung Galaxy logo, then it will start booting to the Matrixx ROM, which is actually in A16. Check out the boot animation. Now we have to wait. The first boot will not take that much time. The first boot completed and the welcome screen finally got appears on my mobile phone screen. I will complete the setup screen. During setup screen on this window, if you want to stick with the Matrixx ROM, you can put a tick sign update Matrixx recovery alongside with the OS. Else, if you do not want, then leave it like this. A fastest with a good battery life and beautiful looking ROM finally got flash on my Galaxy A51. These are the default applications coming with the ROM. The basic call recorder app is already coming default with the ROM. If I go to the settings, and if I go to the about phone, Galaxy A51, model number is A515F, Android version 16, Matrixx version is 12.3, the current latest one. These are the details of my mobile phone currently. Hope you will like this ROM and you will enjoy using it on Galaxy A51. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you got help, do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to share it with others. And do not forget to subscribe my channel also. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.